let's go install some solar panels on my truck. Lensun Solar, these guys right here, they sent me a kit to install. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. OZK Vans, these guys right here, they are actually an installer. So we're gonna head over there, get these installed. Now, the truck looks a little bit different. I'm gonna tell you why it looks different, but not yet. So let's go install these panels, come back here. I'll tell you what's going on with the truck. It's exciting. Let's go. Okay, enough of the sexy B-roll. Wanted to get it outside before the sun went down and kind of show you what this thing looks like. I really dig the look. It almost looks like some sort of graphical element on the hood from a distance, which is super cool. Now, there is an app that you can get. I'll put a link to it in the description down below that you can actually track this thing. You open it up and you'll see through Bluetooth, the connection's called Solar Life to the little brains of the unit. You can connect to that. Let's see if I can show you this. It'll show you how much is coming in. Obviously, we're in the shade at the end of the day, so there's not much, but it does show that it is connected. The battery's running at 13.8 volts. So that's handy. You know, this is one of those products that it's not really designed that you're going to monitor it a whole lot. You kind of set it and forget it, but it's nice to know that you can jump in and check that. Let's head back to my house, pull this thing into the garage, get it in a dry environment, and then I've got some final thoughts that I wanted to discuss with you guys, and we'll wrap up this video there. Awesome day of install work over at OZK Vans. Those dudes are absolute pros. Love working with them. Now, I want to address the elephant in the garage here. My truck. It looks a little bit different. So I pulled almost everything off. The bed rack, tent, cases on the roof, water port, rotopacks, all of it. A big chunk of that gear I've sold. A new setup is on the way. I'm gonna be doing a video on that, featuring it on the channel, and I'm so excited about what's to come this year for Baker Overland and for the truck. So that's why all that stuff is off. Now, this worked out really well for me because Lensun actually recommends after you do this installation that you keep your vehicle completely dry in a garage for 48 hours, I believe, to let everything kind of set and harden the way that it's supposed to. Normally, my truck would not fit in the garage, not a chance. But with everything off of it, I actually can make it in here. So it worked out great that it just, you know, I didn't plan it that way, but pulled everything off the other day and then did this work and it was able to keep it in the garage. So it worked out perfect. So since 2020, I have been working for OZK Vans. They're one of my clients, doing marketing for them. And they have focused on van life the whole time. Obviously, it's in the name. That's their whole thing. They make incredible Sprinter and transit vans for camping or commercial or municipal work. Now, they have decided, because their skill set has basically put them in a position to help more than just the van market, they've also been able to help a lot of guys like me and you, overlanders. So if you're in Northwest Arkansas or anywhere in this area and you are interested in getting work done to a truck like you saw today, could be solar panel installation, could be electrical systems for running a dual battery, fridge setup, you want help putting on rooftop tents, armor. So one of our owners is actually the founder of Backwoods Adventure Mods. And so we have the culture in this company very deeply. We're a van company, but we're a van company and more. You're gonna start seeing more and more of my truck in the OZK Van shop. When I need to do mods, I'm gonna go over there, because those guys have made it very clear they want to be in this space. They've got the talent, they've got the skills, and now you guys know. So if you need something done, OZK Vans, that's who you contact. But that's all for this one, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I really appreciate it. If you want to watch another video on my channel, you can check out this one up here or this one down here. No, I did not paint my truck pink, but more importantly, remember, the more you camp, the less deer the aliens abduct.